For me, Show Me Science asks how science defines me. Personally, my parents were born in Guatemala and they came to the US as immigrants and looking for me to have a better education. And I've always found myself in some way attracted back to Central America and to tropical rainforests. And so that's always been sort of a crux of my interest in science. And so if someone would ask me to show me science, I would immediately start talking about tropical biology.
So for me, Show Me Science signifies that everyone can do science. Doesn't matter your background, science is for everyone. And this is me, this is my science, I can show it.
If a young person said, show me science, I would tell them to look in their pocket and get their cell phone. I would tell them to go outside and look around them. Like even the physics that goes into the structures of buildings, like even over the past year, right? The pandemic, show you science, right? Regardless of your feelings of the vaccine, right? At least 2/3 of the entire world scientific community came together to work towards a common goal, right? Like I work in a bacteria lab, and even my own lab mates was doing some work with COVID. Science is around you. Like I would even say, look at the elders in your family. What, 2, 3, 4, several hundred years ago, the life expectancy of people it was like in the 30s, right? And now we've evolved to the point where we can have long, prosperous lives that have high quality of life, things like that. Science is all around you.
Show me science means learning all that you can about, your topic and your research, which is just reading a lot and talking to people in your field, because, they know a lot. People around me, I'm only a second-year grad student, so I don't know a lot, much, and neither do other people. But whenever you combine, like, all of our knowledge, then it's really cool. And so that's science, I think.
If a young person asked me, show me science, I would just ask them to look around and ask them what sort of questions do you have, and what are you curious about, whether you're inside or outside, just how does something work, or what questions might you come up with, and how might you use science, a really amazing tool, to help answer the questions that you might have.
To me, show me science means that we're all surrounded by science and anyone is able to pursue a career in science no matter what their background is.
If a young person told me or asked me to show them science, I would say, you're living it. It's how your eyes are able to convert light into an image. It's at its core how you and your environment are able to interact.
To me, Show Me Science is about identity and about questions and what drives us to answer these different questions and how we approach getting at those answers and trying to explain what we see in the world. Scientists are, the questions we ask and the way we approach those questions are informed by our personal identities and the way we interact with the world. And historically in science, the dominant view has been a white, straight, cis male view, because those are the people who are allowed into scientific spaces and who would dominate those spaces and do most of the scientific research that was published. And that's starting to change more and more, which is great. And that means that we're bringing in more people and more perspectives, and we can ask new, better, different questions and bring in more ideas and test those ideas to learn more and test what we think we know.